Yeah, I can know.
What is he doing?
There's this great meme where it's like your team while everybody else was wisely tanking for Jaden Daniels, and it's like the Mambo Italiano, and it's just like Tommy DeVito's father kissing the the agents.
Is she going to jump the light? Is she not?
Bit of a so why not just be in this lane in the first place?
Sunday.
The Yellow Bellies missed a number of frees in that opening period, and since the break, the tribesmen have drawn level. It's currently Wexford 1-11. Off the field, Ireland man Tom Ryan has been appointed as the new Director General of the GAA. He takes over from Padraig Duffy, who held the post for 11 years.
Sorry, cow.
They wanted them to rush to these positions in Belgium, because then the second shoe would fall. The three Panzers were slammed through the forest into Luxembourg and Belgium behind the British and French troops. You are sorry? You fucking idiot! Press the fucking button.
So,
It's all psychological, and your brain learns from it.
Fucking hell. Just because someone's letting you out doesn't mean you have to put up regardless.
Yeah, exactly.
If I did say that. No, you can't just push it. No. What the f*** are you doing, you f***ing What the f*** was that?
But I've done shopping for her to come. I did grocery shopping. Oh, calm down, baby. What's she doing? She wasn't even looking.
That's a one way. That's a one way that they've just come out of.
Oh, they turned down here, did they?
No. MJ Quinn have just come the wrong way out of a one-way street.
Oh.
It could have just been like a careless mistake. Like I don't think Kenzie, even
What?
if she was like at road rage and she was arguing, I don't think her intention was to kill two people no matter what. So I mean, I don't.
No, I don't think she tried to kill her boyfriend or Davion, but I think she was road raging down the road. 100%.
Well, I thought that would
Died. It's a joke. I said, like, who is this diva? It wasn't even personal to him. It was just saying, who is this diva? Jesus.
Miles.
Good for you, that's disgusting you said that. That's really bad. Honestly.
Manual recording will now start.
Sorry, Mama, there was an absolute idiot of a driver.
Okay, where are you now then?
See that? It's Aaron. There's another one for the dashcam.
But he gave it with. Oh!
What a see the way you shot out of there?
After 80 yards, turn left, Mackenbank Road, then
Just why?
take the second right.
Why?
What? It's my right way.
Yeah, but how already coming? Couldn't you see me?
turning right. What do you think? Oh no. F***ing sucker. I love that one. Towards like the cathedral and university. Oh my bloody Porsche in front of me in the wrong lane.